What if I told you you could buy a house, a real house, without putting a single dollar down? Not 5,000, not 10,000, not even 20,000, zero. Most people hear that and think there's gotta be a catch. Hidden fees, fine print, something that flips on you. There isn't. And today, I'm going to show you how exactly this works, because you served your country and this benefit is yours. My name is Salinas. I served 20 years in the United States Marine Corps and Navy combined. Today, I'm a real estate agent with Compass out of the military division in Houston, Texas. And I built my business around one mission, making sure veterans stop leaving money on the table. And the number one benefit I see veterans miss every single day, it's this one: zero money down for a VA home loan. So let's fix that right now. So most people want to buy a home. They're tired of renting. They're tired of rent increasing. They're tired of paying someone else's mortgage. But then they look at their bank account and think, I need 15K, 20K, maybe even more before I can even start. So they wait 6 months, a year, 2 years. Meanwhile, home prices keep going up, interest rates keep going up, and the dream keeps going further and further away. Here's the truth. No one explains clearly enough. If you're a veteran and you do not have to wait, the VA loan was created so that the biggest barriers to a home ownership is the down payment, and that doesn't stop you. You served. This benefit came with that service. And if you allow it to buy you a home with zero down, backed by the US government, what better benefit is there? So let's break this down kindergarten style. With a conventional loan, most buyers, they have to put down 3 to 20% right up front. Now, that's for the lender's protection. But with a VA loan, the Department of Veteran Affairs guarantees part of your loan. Now, that guarantee replaces your down payment. So instead of you taking on that burden, the government backs you. Results, you can buy a home without draining your savings. So let's talk real numbers. On the $300,000 home, a conventional buyer is putting down 10%, $30,000 out of the pocket. A veteran using a VA loan, zero down. Now that's $30,000 you get to keep. There's no PMI, big advantage, and it gets even better. Conventional buyers who put less than 20% down, they have to pay something called a PMI, private mortgage insurance. Now, that's usually $100 to $300 extra per month. None that builds zero wealth. The VA loans, no PMI, none. So not only are you saving up front, you're saving every single month. Over 5 years, that could be $15,000, $18,000 back in your pocket. Now, I'm always going to keep it real with you. There is one cost, the VA funding fee. For first-time use with zero down, it's about $2.15. On a $300,000 home, that's around $6,450. But here's the key, you don't have to pay it up front. It can get rolled into your loan. So your out-of-pocket cost at closing stays low. And if you have a VA disability rating of 10% or more, that fee is completely waived, zero. Now let's talk about who qualifies. This applies to more people than you think. 90 days active duty, wartime, 181 days peacetime, 6 years Guard reservist are eligible. Surviving spouses, a huge portion of the veteran community qualifies, and it doesn't even know it. So here's your first step of action. Step 1, it's very simple. Keep your certificate of eligibility. Most lenders can pull it in a minute. From there, we can map out your path forward. So let me zoom out for a minute. Home ownership builds wealth. Every payment you make equals equity, ownership, an asset that grows over time. Renting, you're building someone else's wealth. The VA loan is the fastest path to renting to owning that exists for veterans. Now, I've worked with veterans who thought, I'm 3 to 5 years away. They closed in 45 days because the use barriers they thought they had existed. It was never real. So let me hit a few things that I hear all the time. My credit isn't perfect. VA loans are more flexible than conventional. Don't disqualify yourself early. I've used my VA loan before. You can reuse it. Entitlements can be restored. I don't make enough. VA disability plus BH can count as income. I don't know where to start. That's exactly why I do this. So let's recap. 0 down, no PMI, government backed. A benefit you've already earned. The only thing missing is action. Here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment, click on the link below, or reach out to me directly. I'm here in the Houston area with Compass Military Division, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. I'll even hold your hand, whatever we need to do to get you qualified, and see how to get you into your new home. You didn't serve this country to be spending your life paying someone else's mortgage. So let's get you into yours. Let's go. Chris Salinas, Barracks to Backyards, out.